The company that was supposed to save us from dangerous AI just accidentally leaked its most powerful model to the entire internet. And it gets worse. The leaked documents reveal that even Anthropic itself believes this model is a cybersecurity nightmare. Here's what happened and why it matters more than you think. On March 26th, Fortune magazine discovered something alarming. Nearly 3,000 internal Anthropic documents were sitting in a publicly accessible data store, completely unsecured. Among them was a draft blog post revealing a model called Claude Mythos, codenamed Capybara internally. The cause was embarrassingly simple. Anthropic's content management system was configured to make assets public by default. Unless someone manually marked a file as private, anyone could find it. Security researchers from Cambridge University and Layer X Security independently confirmed the exposure. So what is Claude Mythos? According to the leaked documents, it's not just another upgrade. It's an entirely new tier above their current Opus models. Anthropic's own words, by far the most powerful AI model we have ever developed. The leaked draft claims dramatically higher scores in software coding, academic reasoning, and cybersecurity compared to anything else on the market. Rumors from industry insiders put the model at 10 trillion parameters, with a training cost of roughly $10 billion. For context, that's more than 10 times the size of most current frontier models. An Anthropic spokesperson confirmed the model exists, calling it a step change in capabilities and the most capable we've built to date. They said it's already being tested with early access customers. Here's where it gets really concerning. The leaked blog post contained a warning that Anthropic itself wrote. Quote, "This model is currently far ahead of any other AI model in cyber capabilities." But that's not the scary part. The document goes on to say that Mythos, quote, presages an upcoming wave of models that can exploit vulnerabilities in ways that far outpace the efforts of defenders. In plain English, Anthropic built a model so good at finding security holes that it could make large-scale cyber attacks dramatically easier. And they know it. CNN reported that Anthropic is privately warning top government officials. Cybersecurity stocks dropped immediately after the leak. CrowdStrike, Palo Alto Networks, Zscaler, Fortinet all fell as investors processed what this means. Anthropic's plan is to release the model to cyber defense teams first, giving defenders a head start before it becomes more widely available. But the story doesn't end there. 5 days later, on March 31st, Anthropic had a second leak. This time, roughly 500,000 lines of Claude Code source code were exposed through an NPM packaging error. A debugging file was accidentally bundled into a routine software update, and it pointed directly to a zip archive containing the full source code. Nearly 2,000 files, completely exposed. Let that sink in. The company, founded specifically to build safe, responsible AI, could not secure its own content management system or its own software packages. Twice, in 1 week. Some people are even asking whether it was intentional. A perfectly timed leak that generated massive buzz right before a planned release. Accident, incompetence, or the best PR stunt in AI history. Regardless of how the leak happened, the implications are real. We are entering a phase where AI models are powerful enough to be genuine cybersecurity weapons. Right now, GPT-5.4 just surpassed human-level desktop performance. Gemini 3.1 has a 2 million token context window, and Anthropic claims Mythos beats them all. The AI race is no longer just about who's smartest. It's about who's most dangerous. And the fact that the safety-focused company is the one raising the loudest alarm should tell you everything. If you found this breakdown useful, subscribe for more AI news that actually matters.